welcome to Revenge of the Show, Model Kit Monday. I know it's an older kit. Right now money's tight. If there's any model people out there, model companies out there, you want me to review your kit, I'd be more than happy to do that. Anyway, I got this at Hobby Lobby. I don't go there anymore because they don't do the 40% off coupons anymore. This is an older kit, A-10. This is basic box art. It's not bad. Got some tanks down there. Let's see how this looks. Academy. This kit came out in 19. Well, the plane came out in 1972, and there was 716 built. Sounds like somebody's driving an A-10 down my street. So at the moment, I believe there's about 281 Air Force is still flying, 281 of these. Air Force is still trying to kill the program. They are re-winging the A-10s. It's going to be the A-10C. What's in the box?
I'll show you the box. Who's in the box?
So I don't think anybody's really reviewed this kit on YouTube. I'm not sure. I know the Trumpeter Flory Models does a build of a Flory model of the Trumpeter kit. I think that's 1/48 or something like that. It's a really hard kit to build. So let's go into the directions. There's 281 airplanes in service right now. Last I saw, they bought 177 wing sets. So there's the cockpit. Engines. Weapons packages, which I know that they're changing these up so that you could hold more weapons on each one of the weapon bays or something like that. Looks like you get decals for 2 different kits or 2 different A-10s. There you go. Let's look at these decals. You feel a little bit, it might be kind of thick, I'm not sure. I can feel something on there. Not too bad. So let's open up this screw. Not that way, dummy. Well, let's look at this glass. Glass is pretty nice and clear. Looks pretty good. Heads up display looks good. Must be lights over there. I'm not going to take those out. Really nice definition on the engines. The coverings, anyway. Bomb racks, missile racks. Bombs. And that looks like it's the cockpit. It's not any detail in it whatsoever. The seat doesn't have any detail in it. Looks like that's well, I don't know. I think that's part of the engine. The engine's intakes themselves, the turbofans, look pretty decent. Really, really nice. Wheels look good. Pave pod. Landing gear struts look okay. Yeah, the cockpit is really lacking any detail whatsoever. I mean, it's a small kit, but that's really no detail whatsoever. I got some footage from Oshkosh. I'm going to show you some A-10 walk around while I open this up. Here's the bottom of the wing. Not too bad. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Rudder. Not too much flash. Maybe around here. Looks like it might be a little funky. Here's the top. Everything seems to be in order there. Here's where the General Electric GAU 8A Avenger autocannon goes. I haven't seen it. It might be in another package. Bunch of Mavericks, which the Mavericks do a hell of a job. They kill a hell of a lot more tanks than the gun does. There's been no real information on how many tanks the A-10 has killed with the cannon. It's a 30 millimeter cannon. It will shoot 70 rounds per second, 39 rounds per minute. Of course, you don't want to you burn up that cannon really quick. I think you got like 3 seconds on the trigger. I mean, it's great for some close air support with other stuff, but if you have, the A-10 has any smart weapons on the ground, missiles and stuff like that, it can't go in there, to where the F-35, that could go in there. These can't. And so, that's why, hey, if the, Air Force ever gives it up, maybe the Marines will take the A-10 or the Army. But that new aircraft that the Air Force is going to have for attack, it's a propeller. And that probably might suit that job really well. But if you really got to go in there and take stuff out that's got smart weaponry, the F-35 is the trick. Because A-10 against that kind of stuff. It can't do that. It could go into areas in the desert where there's just some guys walking around and stuff like that. Maybe a couple shoulder-mounted weapons, but I'm trying to see where the gun is on this airplane. We opened up all the packages. I mean, that's why you're getting this. It's just a tiny. So here we have it, folks. Here's where the gun goes, out the nose. And there is the barrel of the gun. Yep, that's it. I mean, it's a small kit. It could be a little bit better, but it is small. So that's the gun. So let me know. I mean, one day this airplane won't be flying around anymore, and it's going to be around for a little bit longer. I mean, with the new wings, it's not getting new engines. It's getting a new cockpit display, new software updates so it can track more targets and stuff like that, all that good stuff. But otherwise, someday it's not going to be flying anymore. But as far as the kit is concerned, out of 11, why?
These go to 11.
I give this kit an 8. The cockpit is really, really not very attractive looking. Decals might be questionable. And the gun, I mean, the emphasis on this airplane is the gun. And you don't get much of a gun with it. I know, whatchamacallit, Tamiya makes an A-10 kit. I think it's a really old version of the A-10. I don't think they make a more modern one. And I don't have that kit, so, I mean, that might be a better kit. I don't know. This looks really nice, though. It's got nice lines and stuff like that. But when it comes to the gun and the cockpit, it's pretty weak. So anyway, like and subscribe. Hopefully soon I'll have some new kits when I have some money to get some brand new kits. There's some out there that I really, really want, some science fiction kits. And I got a lot of older kits, but I'm not going to open those up for 40 views and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks. Have a great day or a night.